Now we are going to leverage on ChatGPT to come up with name ideas for the channel. And after achieving that, we are also going to ask for it to write the channel's description for us. This is going to save you a lot of time because most people struggle with this kind of things, putting a name to something or writing a short description. So let's start with a simple prompt like, give me 10 ideas for a YouTube channel name about digital tutorials. Let's go with a how-to kind of channel. We wait for it for a few seconds, and here we go, 10 names ideas for a channel about digital tutorials. In case you don't like any of these ideas, you can simply click on Regenerate Response. There's no need to write the prompt again. And there you go. Here are 10 more ideas for your channel's name, and you can keep repeating this as much as you want until you are satisfied with the name. It's taking it a little more of time, but there you go. 10 more names for you to use on your channel. This is amazing because you don't actually have to come up with the ideas yourself. This is really an amazing era to be living in technology-wise. Now, for the sake of the video, let's pick a random name for the channel and ask ChatGPT to write a description for the channel. You can simply write something like, please write a YouTube channel description for a channel named Tech Tips Toolbox. Click on enter, and here you go. Of course, the description is not going to be exactly what you want. The only piece of information we gave ChatGPT to work with was the name of the channel. But you could totally copy this description and give it your personal touch. Make it your own in order to make it a good match for your channel. And that's it. I'm pretty sure that using ChatGPT for simple tasks like these could save you something from 30 minutes to an hour. And that is if you're a very fast thinker. Time is money, so don't sleep on ChatGPT. It can make boring tasks simpler when used right. For the next class, I'll show you a free text-to-image AI that can help you with your logo and banner design for free.